We are 700. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You don't know how this means to me. You don't know what this means to me. You don't know how I feel right now. But thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this great privilege. Thank you so much for counting me worthy. Thank you so much. I can't really express how I feel right now, but I am super duper grateful to all of you, my 700 family. I know we are not up to 1K yet, but I know that we are getting there pretty soon. Thank you so much. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, you are absolutely welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And if you have not yet shared out my video, what are you waiting for? Tell a friend to 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 watch me, please. Thank you so much. And today I thought it's wise to open this vlog here because I'll be going to the market. I want to go get some baking tools, baking items, because I have a cake delivery, and I got a package yesterday. Guys, I am happy. I got my very first PR package from a skincare product, though the package got damaged in transit. Yeah, so I wrapped it in. I removed the package, so I have it here. It's a skincare product, a skincare company that reached out to me to work with them. Celebrity day. Okay, so it's going to be my very first PR unboxing and a vlog, a weekend vlog maybe. It's Thursday, so probably a weekend vlog or a day in my life. Well, let's just see how the video goes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for the support. Please subscribe to my channel if you are watching me. If you are watching me, please subscribe to my channel. Please. If you see me and you like my vibe, go ahead. It won't take you nothing. It costs you nothing. Nada. Okay? So please subscribe to the channel and let's go straight into the unboxing. So the very first thing I have here, I'm using one hand to open and one hand to vlog. So please pardon all these things you are seeing on my face. It's my time of the month and you understand what I mean. So that is what is happening. That is the the word work occurring here. So that's so let me bring out Gold Secrets Cosmetics. This is okay, body scrub. Hey, okay. If I in this category with me, let me know in the comment section. I believe because I am dark skinned, I don't really need to do much concerning my skin. There are times, there's a particular time in my life that I don't even apply cream, body lotion. I don't. But somehow along the line, I just discovered, you're dark doesn't mean you shouldn't glow. So I got this PR package. This is my body scrub, and it says twice a week for best results. And watch till the end. I have a very good news for you concerning this. If you want to get as well, then I have the face and body soap. Like I said, the package got damaged in transit, so my body soap, it's a no bleaching zone, so it's good for dark skin. Can you see? Yeah. Okay, like so. Gold Secrets Cosmetics, LD Beauty will provide affordable products, beauty solution, body supplement, no bleaching zone. So that is what we have here, and this is our and the soap is big. This is how big the soap is for body and face. So I'm gonna use it, and I'm gonna come back, and I'm sure I'm going to give a very good review. By the time you see my skin in like 2 weeks, you will know, because I'll be very faithful with it. Normally I have issues being faithful with products, but this one not free, so I'm gonna be faithful. So I have this face cream as well. It's small, but I had they call it small, but it's mighty. So it is face cream from Gold Secret as well. Then baby, I'm gonna be using vitamin C serum. Hey, I don't know. So this is how it looks. Can you see? Vitamin C face serum, anti-aging, face line, fine line, and improved skin texture. So that's what this will be doing. Oh, good. So the good news I said I have for you is that if you contact her, I will drop her description, contact in the description box below. If you contact her, you get a 30% discount. She's currently on a 30% sales, and she delivers across the globe, outside the country, UK, US, Italy, Dubai, anywhere. She delivers. Lagos State, Maduguri, Kafasha, anywhere you are in Nigeria, you get your package delivered to you ASAP. In outside the country, she got you covered. Don't worry. So you can patronize her. I will drop Instagram and phone number in the description box below. Just tell her you are from Gbemi, and she would do you well. Okay. So I'll see you probably when I'm going out, or when I get to the store where I want to buy my baking items. And bakers, how are you coping? Baking ingredients is freaking high. As how do we cope? How do we wingle things? How do we just move around this high increase? Everything is freaking expensive. Anyway, we move. So I'll show you my shopping and probably show you the cake I make at the end of the day, because I have the delivery to do tomorrow morning. So I gotta bake today, decorate today, and deliver tomorrow. So it's going to be a very stressful weekend for me. I am serious. Coupled with mommy activities. So don't let me bore you my long discussion. So we'll see later. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, please. Bye. It's Kelly baby, Tiole baby. I just came out of the bathroom and yo fam, my skin feels so soft. I just applied used the face scrub like you saw, and I left it for like 3 minutes to 5 minutes, and you can see the difference already. I feel so good. I'm sure that after using this for like a week or so, you'll see drastic changes. Yo fam, you see what I see? Contact Gold Secret. Seriously, contact Gold Secret, and your skin issue problem is gone. Just contact her and you are good to go. Like fam, my skin has not felt like this in a while. Just the first use. No, this is good. So I'm going to change into something more comfortable. Then I eat the market. See ya later.
Afi battery yẹn ya sí.
Mi ò fi sí, àti màá gbà ń tà 500.
iná tó ti bàjẹ́ tó wà nílẹ̀ máa yọ bátìrì. Nǹkan nílé. Ìtì kí ni? So ti sẹ́ni lè dá padà. Ẹ fi sábíà yín. Ẹ fi wọ́n tẹ́lifù tẹ̀lé.
Ah, mo fẹ́ clean film. Ṣé pink wà? Celorap. Yanu. Celorap. Pink.
Yàrá bàbá. Ẹ̀sà. Ìyá yóò lẹ́rẹ̀ẹ́.